Today, we're asking you to step outside, literally. Now, tell me, when was the last time you simply walked in nature? Not for exercise, not to get anywhere, just to be. If that question made you pause, then you're exactly where you need to be right now. In this episode, we're exploring the power of nature walks, what the Japanese call Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing, and how it can spark deep mental clarity, emotional healing, and a sense of grounded peace. And guess what? Even if you can't escape to a lush forest, I've got a little bottle of nature's gift to share with you. So grab your water, your walking shoes, or just a cozy seat outside with your bare feet to the ground, and let's explore how nature can soothe your spirit and sharpen your mind.
Tune in to episode 35 of the Sparkling Life Coach podcast on YouTube, Apple, Spotify, Good Pods, or wherever you listen to your podcasts to discover the natural healing power of walking in nature.